Yo, what's up guys? This is spinalfluid.fits coming back with another YouTube video. Yeah, it's been a while, sorry. Coming back with, what do you know, another Balenciaga DIY video. Oh my god, he did it again. So unless you've been living under a rock, you probably saw the Balenciaga chip bag accessory, the Lay's collab or whatever. I think it's like $1,500 or $1,800 for this bag. Balenciaga has done stuff like this in the past. I think they did like a dog food bag once before, and other stuff of that nature, you know, really demonstrating him as creative genius. It just speaks about his youth and
hell no, man, what the fuck, man?
So I'm going to show you all how to make the Balenciaga Lay's collab for cheap using, what do you know, a Lay's chip bag. We'll get right into it. I'll show you all what you need.
So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need a bag of chips, preferably the family size, zipper, needle and thread, printer that prints color, packing tape or any clear tape, and a stapler or any adhesive. You could also probably use hot glue. Right. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to empty out the chip bag here, and then you're going to want to wash it out. This step is optional. You could just empty it out and just leave it greasy on the inside. Doesn't really matter. But yeah. This is probably the hardest part of the entire tutorial. Basically, you get your zipper and you mark it to the width of the bag. So this is a family sized bag, so it's about 8.5 inches is the width of the bag. So you want to measure from here, the start of the zipper teeth, all the way to where you want the zipper to end. Then you take your thread and needle. You can use the same color thread if you want. Around there, then pull it through, and then you're gonna want to come down on the other side, pull it through. You do it about 10 times. So I've done a couple of stitches here. It doesn't really have to be perfect. Then to finish it off, you're just gonna flip it over and tie a knot. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this fabric glue just on the back, just to make sure it's safe. Just let that set, I guess. The next step here is just to mark another, you want to put another line just about 1 inch off of where the zipper ends. This is just where you're going to cut it, right about there. And then you are just going to cut it. There you go. Okay, what I'm going to do is we're going to go on and slap our Balenciaga logo on the chip bag. This is just a screenshot directly from like Instagram picture. So colors are obviously a little different, but I mean, I think it looks funnier that it's imperfect. I just have this printed on regular printer paper, and then I'm gonna cover it with tape and use that. If you have sticker paper, you can do that, probably work better, probably look better. You can also color correct it if you want. It doesn't really matter. Alright, so after failed attempts with nearly every substance, I tried tape and the fabric glue. It did not work. I just settled on stapling this. You could stitch it if you had the patience to hand stitch it or the right kind of sewing machine. I did not want to do that for this shitty tutorial, so there you go. Zipper opens and closes. The zipper's a little bit hard to grab.
Alright, so that is the end of the video. Turned out alright. I made this as a joke, so it turned out pretty good for comedy standards. A couple notes about it. It's not entirely perfect to the Balenciaga one, obviously, but also because I'm in Canada, we also have it says family size. I don't know if they do that in the States or Europe, but this is the same amount of grams that are stated on the Balenciaga bag. This isn't super useful. This material is kind of weak, so I wouldn't put anything sharp in here, but you know, you could put a sandwich, you could put chips back in there, you could put a completely registered legal firearm with no illegal attachments and the serial number intact. You could put that in here as well. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know what kind of content you want to see in the future. I just do DIY videos because they're easy, and that's the kind of content I like to watch on YouTube. Oh, also you can buy this on the website, spinalfluidindustries, for the price of a bag of chips.